Samco Machinery, global innovators in roll forming and value-added solutions. Presenting the Shiplap Rollforming line with pre-punch, pre-notch and post-cut and form press systems from Samco Machinery. This rollforming line produces 3 sizes of shiplap at a line speed of up to 100 feet per minute and a pre-painted material thickness of up to 0.024 inches. Material is fed from a single-ended uncoiler to a punch press system, which can produce parts with or without nail slots. It is then fed into a flying, closed-loop, pre-notch press system with programmable part length. The rafted roll former features raft plates that make it easy for future profiles to be added, and the roll tooling is made from quality tool steel, which is hardened and ground for longevity. The hydraulic flying cut-off press with form die is equipped with a closed-loop length control system that flies the die to line speed, makes an accurate cut and form, and returns to the home position. Finished parts are accelerated out and pneumatically ejected to a gravity-fed exit conveyor. The Shiplap Rollforming line with pre-punch, pre-notch and post-cut and form press systems. Another innovation from Samco Machinery. Samco Machinery. People, products and passion.